the face on the statue. So I believe he is just same idea for the statue. Slightly different face because it isn't the exact same statue. Because I feel like the main usage would be either to battle cities or to battle your enemy's economy. Yeah, they were wrong.
There's an old drone airplane from the Second World War.
What was its use?
Well, just for targeting, for them to practice gunnery on.
These days in the Ukraine war, right now, what they're doing is they're bombing, they're using small drones to bomb enemy tanks.
Do you think you can fit in that ejection seat?
Talk to me if it actually works. So it'd be like,
Yeah.
talk to me.
Yeah. Hey, Goose.
Like a early helicopter and then skinned it. Like, oh, is this a warplane? Aerial gas station? What? Now where do they have planes with the guns on them? Why do they have a flying saucer?
Oh, it's closed. Look how old those seats look, eh? And the smell in here.
I don't think they even had airplane seatbelts yet.
But I don't think the door is open high enough for them to get it outside. They don't have many warplanes. You just got one hanging up in the ceiling, way up there.
They have a Korean
Yeah. And this is another warplane, the Starfighter.
Why does it have that tip? Is it for like special types of dogfights? Are you supposed to javelin your enemy? That'd actually be a really cool thing to have in a dogfight.
That's part of the airspeed indicator.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna build a plane that has that, so that way it can like stab into another plane.
Yeah.
It would be really good for that. And then you could like stab from the bottom, and then it'll like go whoosh up through their head.
Yeah. Look at it.
Is that a missile? Or
I think so. Yeah.
What's that plane?
That's an A-26 bomber. That's from the war.
What was it made? I mean, like, where is it made? Is it like in
USA, yeah. The Canadian Air Force never actually flew them. Some guy bought it and painted it in Canadian Air Force colors. I guess he didn't know what he was doing. It's not very authentic paint scheme.
When they were a baby, did you ever fly one of your kids in a model airplane?
No, you can't do that against the law.
Yeah, because you might crash.
Yeah.
Widely recognized as the aircraft snowboards the Royal Canadian Air Force aircraft on that. Yeah.
Do you know what kind of pigeon that is?
Messenger pigeon?
Huh?
Is that a messenger pigeon?
A messenger pigeon?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Wait, do you know about the pigeon named Chirama?
And see, they got those little containers where they put messages on.
Yeah.
And then around his leg.
But did you know who Chirame was?
No, who was it?
Oh my gosh, it was like a hero pigeon.
Yeah. Okay.
Spelled CHERA space AIM. Chirame. Or Chirama. Not sure. Oh yeah, I know about this American plane. Didn't like during the Pacific Theater, wouldn't they like put more numbers on their plane to make it seem like to make. I'm not guessing that. What was the like?
No. No.
I told you that this would happen. This is all your this is this.
Think back to my father's involvement with this. I had my first flight with my father in 1935 in the Great Lakes, so this airline business was very, very special and important to him, and that's why this is so important to the family to get this brought up.
Wow, it's an old flying saucer. I always have to be at least. No, I can never be fully in the frame. I can only ever be constantly in a.
I like that guy's parka.
That guy's parka?
Yes.
The guy in the black and white picture?
Yeah, wouldn't that be warm?
It's a pretty nice parka.
Yeah.
He has some nice mittens and mitts. we're going to go straight into the construction site again.
Who, me?
Yes.
Try it one more time.
What's next? You're gonna walk through one of the exhibits.
I think most of us were.
We just went and picked up fish somewhere, I don't know, Port Hope somewhere. And the next time we're gonna go, Jack Sanderson, he was an alcoholic too, eh? Jim, remember him? No. He went trucking, I think, after his client, and went flying somewhere else. Like engine coughed on him a few times there.
Every single one of the nose things.
Eject. Ah, where did you get that? Hello. I always have to be slightly in the frame, never forward.
This was a KPK Air 18 video production. Thank you for watching.